Getting a Nebraska business on Google Maps is a game changer. Here's a step-by-step guide from Websnoogie, LLC to help local businesses shine online. First, claim your Google Business Profile. Head to Google Business Profile Manager and click Start Now. Enter your business name and address. Make sure it's accurate. This is how customers will find you. Next, choose the right category. This helps Google understand what your business does. Be specific. If you're a coffee shop, select coffee shop instead of just restaurant. This will attract the right customers. Now it's time to add your location. If you have a physical storefront, ensure your address is correct. If you're a service area business, list the areas you serve. This is crucial for local searches. Once your location is set, add your contact information. Include your phone number and website. This makes it easy for customers to reach you. Don't forget to verify your business. Google will send a postcard with a verification code to your address. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Next, enhance your profile with photos. High-quality images of your business, products, or services can make a huge difference. Customers are more likely to visit a business with appealing visuals. Aim for a mix of interior shots, exterior views, and team photos to showcase your brand personality. Now let's talk about business hours. Make sure to list your operating hours accurately. If you have special hours for holidays or events, update those too. This helps customers know when to visit or call. Encourage customer reviews. Positive reviews boost your visibility on Google Maps. Ask satisfied customers to leave feedback. Responding to reviews, both positive and negative, shows you value customer input and helps build trust. Next, keep your information updated. If you change your phone number or address, update your Google Business Profile immediately. Consistency is key for local SEO. Consider adding posts to your profile. Share updates, promotions, or events. This keeps your audience engaged and informed. Plus, it can improve your ranking on Google Maps. Lastly, monitor your insights. Google provides data on how customers find your business and what actions they take. Use this information to refine your strategy and attract more customers. Getting your Nebraska business on Google Maps is a straightforward process. By following these steps from Websnoogie, LLC, local businesses can enhance their online presence and attract more customers. With a little effort, the visibility on Google Maps can lead to increased foot traffic and sales. So what are you waiting for? Start optimizing today.